Hello and welcome to the Captain Techno. Today I will be showing you how to use an SLR camera, or in other words, those big digital cameras. So, first of all, something I think you should know is, yes, the camera does come with a flash. It's mostly going to be up here. That's the flash that it comes with. Obviously, you could, if you work in a business or you want to take very good pictures, your flash fits right into here, just slides in. And this is the lens that came with the camera. Now, obviously, you could change it. There will always be a little button on the side. So right here. Just hold that and then spin the lens. And then you can switch. Make sure you have, when you buy a new lens, that you have the exact same thing. Mine is, I don't think if you could read that because the camera is not on focus. Mine is a 33mm. Now always, never ever leave your camera alone like this. Dust could be captured inside, and unless you pay a lot of money to get it fixed, you are most likely stuck. For some cameras, there's this cycle here where you could pick any settings you want to use. No flash, auto, scenery. Another thing I'd like to talk about is when taking a photo, you could select the live view, which is looking from the monitor. I'm pointing at the wall. I'll just change it. Or, I don't know, a feed camera. If you have any questions, just put it in the comments. If I take too long to respond, I will get a chance to respond. If you have any questions,